Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to limit responses in Google Forms. This is particularly useful when you're running surveys or collecting signups and want to ensure that each person can only submit one response, preventing duplicate entries and keeping your data clean. First, open your web browser and navigate to forms.google.com. Once the page loads, you'll need to log in using your credentials. Make sure you're signing into the account that has access to the form you want to modify. This step is essential as it gives you access to all your forms and their settings. After logging in, you'll arrive at your Google Forms dashboard. Here you'll see a section labeled Recent Forms, which displays all the forms you've been working on recently. Browse through and click on the specific form where you want to limit responses. This will open the form in editing mode, allowing you to make the necessary adjustments. Now, look at the top toolbar of your screen. You'll see several options available for managing your form. Click on Settings. This is where you can control how your form collects and manages responses, making it a crucial section for customization. Once you're in the Settings menu, you'll notice different categories of options. Click the arrow beside Responses to expand this section. This will reveal additional settings specifically related to how responses are collected and managed. Within the Responses section, navigate to the option that says Collect Email Addresses. Next to it, you'll see a drop-down menu. Click on this drop-down and select Verified from the available options. This step is important because it ensures that only users signed into their Google accounts can submit responses, which is necessary for limiting each person to one submission. Now, you'll see an option labeled Limit to One Response. Simply toggle this option on. By enabling this feature, you're ensuring that each verified user can only submit the form once. This prevents duplicate submissions and maintains the integrity of your collected data. And there you have it, you've successfully configured your Google form to limit responses to one per person. This simple setting can make a significant difference in the quality and reliability of the data you collect. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.